This 2018 Grand Design Reflection 150 220 RK is for sale today at BeckleysRVs. Starting inside, your control panel is located right next to your entry door. This gives you convenient control over the miscellaneous functions of your trailer, such as your lights, slides, and awning. Moving into the main living area, you'll notice your entertainment center, which has a flat-screen TV on a lift and a multimedia head unit. Across from this, your sofa can fold out into an additional bed. Also located in your living area, your kitchen includes all the standard amenities, such as a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. In your master bedroom is a queen-sized bed, as well as wardrobe storage and a flat-screen TV. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.